bunch of little witches potions that we're going to tippy tap on. And I wanted to comfort you that even though this is a candy store video, I will not be doing mouth sounds, so don't worry. I will not be actually eating the candy, just tapping on it. But I have lots of fun things to tippy tap on. Tippy tap. And a witch's cauldron, and all of the delicious triggers, and a little role play where I will be the candy store clerk at the witch's brew, and I can get you all the things that you need. Please stay till the end. We will be reading The Ugly Pumpkin. This vintage sticker gallery book. We will be going through and picking. This is all stickers, so we'll be going through this at the end and picking stickers, okay? And that will be quite a treat. Okay, so for the makeup, I did black lipstick and I kind of blurred it a little bit on the edges. And then we did kind of the darker eyeshadow, the berry eyeshadow, which I think goes really well with my green eyes. And freckles. And mascara. Obviously my dark hair. Today I paired this Kitty Cat black cat, which goes really well with the witch aesthetic, with my lollipop lollipop earrings. And then of course I have my gummy bear necklace. Okay, let me show you. Gummy bear, green gummy bear, blue, yellow, orange, blue. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because I have these amazing gummy bear squishies that we're going to open and play with, okay? Very excited about that. I'm wearing this very fun witch's dress. Look at the sleeves. The sleeves are amazing. And then I did my Halloween nail rings. So we have a cat, a white cat, and a black cat. And we have some little ghosts and some little pumpkins. And some gems and some rings. Wedding ring, Irish ring, Disney ring, funky ring, chunky ring, heart ring. And I just haven't done nail rings in so long, so we definitely are going to have to stem with them for a bit as well. A little 1, 2, 3 stemming, and then we can call up our role play, and I will be doing the old telephone effect, not the echoey one. So we'll be doing that, and then we will get right into mixing some potions and buying some candy, okay? Mixing some potions and buying some candy. Mixing some potions Witch's cauldron, 1, 2, 3. Witch's cauldron, 1, 2, 3. Lots of candy, 1, 2, 3. No dissociating, 1, 2, 3. Scratchy, scratchy, 1, 2, 3. Scratchy, scratchy, 1, 2, 3. Braid your hair, 1, 2, 3. Braid your hair, 1, 2, 3. Tappy, tappy, 1, 2, 3. Tappy, tappy, 1, 2, 3. Get out, 1, 2, 3. Shake it out, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Do, 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 do. Lots of tapping, 1, 2, 3. Lots of tapping, 1, 2, 3. Lots of tapping, 1, 2, 3. Witches bottles, 1, 2, 3. Witches bottles, 1, 2, 3. Vampire bites, 1, 2, 3. Quirky quirk, 1, 2, 3. Quirky quirk, 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. I hope that we are all feeling better. I know a lot of you resonated with my chronic illness video, which made me feel less alone, but also sad that we're all going through it. So, kind of double whammy, I guess you could say. But let's call on the telephone effect, okay, so we can get into this role play. Hello from upstairs, yes. We are about to do a witch's brew candy store roleplay. Yes, lots of witches potions and such, but we need the telephone effect, please. Not that one, the other one. Yep. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're gonna do the telephone effect in 3, 2, 1. Hello, 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 hello. What would you like to order for your video today? Witchy vibes, okay. But lots of candy, colors, rummaging sounds, tapping sounds, maybe some pop rock sounds. Ooh, that would be nice too. Okay. And some affirmations, some stimming. Okay, perfect. Can you give me your phone number, please? Okay. Perfect. Okay, and then your address. We're just gonna sign you up for the Witches Brew Candy Store rewards. Yeah. Candy store win. Okay, my love, and that phone number. I love your name so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, hello there. Welcome to the Witch's Brew Cauldron candy store, yes. How can I help you? Okay, you're interested in one of my Witch's Brews. Excellent. Most people don't even want my brews anymore. It's quite rude. Okay, but you would like to try one. And then you also want to see what candy I offer. Perfect. Okay, and what other things we offer? We have lots of amazing candies and confections. But I also put special things in my Witch's Brew, okay? Yes, I'll have to take out my cauldron. smells delicious. I'm gonna have to set this aside to brew for a while. Now I will have you drink some of that, don't worry, but let me show you the rest of our candy, okay? First, I have to show you these massive gummy bears. Gummy bears, squishies. We have a red, a purple, a green, and a blue. They actually smell like gummy bears. Purple, purple, purple. These are a little bit sticky. I want to eat them. Red, 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 red. Also, they're so cute. Stack them together. I would say these are similar to Nido cubes, but a little more sticky. These are from Five Below. They do stretch a little bit. Then we have the green. They just look so real. They look like you could take out a huge bite and just and they're perfect for my necklace. Look at this. So cute. I kind of love them. I love them. The green and the blue. This is like the light blue. Add a little bit of squishy gummy into the brew. See what it sounds like taking them apart. I don't blame you if you want to either squish these or eat them through the camera because they're very satisfying. watermelon, grape, and cherry. Okay, let me pick out a few. Grape, cherry, grape, and cherry. A cherry and a grape. And perhaps a strawberry. Okay, just 3 today. Okay, here you go. Just 3 lollipops. I love lollipops so much. I love lollipops. I also have a huge canister of carrots. AIRHEADS. Let's see what we have in here. We have all the flavors. We have mystery, white mystery. We have grape, orange, watermelon, blue raspberry, and did I say cherry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would you like one of each flavor or just some flavors? Okay. White mystery, that's my favorite. Okay, white mystery. What else? Okay. White mystery, cherry, and blue raspberry. These are my favorite. Okay. Go. You're going to be so sad. Okay. So we had the white mystery. Oh, later, would you like to take a little look at our sticker book? Okay, perfect. I'm also reading a silly book too. He rolled his eye and said goodbye and left me all alone. So I walked into November, where I happened on some trees. I asked if I could stay a while, and this time I said please. The trees all started smiling, and then one finally spoke. Take off your boots and spread your roots. Which was another cruel joke. I am the ugly pumpkin, I shouted